All right, so back to the video of changing the drive belt and the deck belt. So that's how the mower looks like, flipped over to change the drive belt. And this is the deck belt. So this is the old deck belt. You see it's kind of old and kind of cracked up. It's kind of loose, so I got a new belt, and it's pretty easy to put it. And easy is a relative word, right? It depends what you're doing. In this case, easy enough. Yeah, if you work hard or work smart, you can do it. All right, so this is how you do it. This thing on the big pulleys, this thing you can push it down, and you see that you can push it down, and that bracket goes up and down. Same thing. And this nut was hard to take it out for this cover. I was able to take out this nut, these things. It has a weird nut. See that? It's like a star kind of thing. It's a weird nut. But anyway, I was able to take a couple of them out just to get it open. And you can see how it looks like this. This thing goes down. You can push it down and then put the belt through, and then just push it back up. And that's how that's how it goes. You see that? Going down, climbing up. Push it down, make it go down, put the belt over it, push it up. That's it. Simple as that. That is that. And then you have to put this through these pulleys. That's the formation of the belt. That's how you form the belt around the pulleys, the bracket. Everything looking good. All right. I need to weld the deck with the metal plate. I don't have any metal plates. I'm going to put the deck back for now and just drive it like this, and then maybe later on I'm going to get a little plate and weld it. Once it's welded, it should be good for a few more years. These are the old mowers, and these old mowers are very solid, real metal, old as gold already. So that's where we stand. Okay, so that's the mower, Craftsman. There we go. There's 14.5 OHV IC gold. This is a great Craftsman mower. Runs very well. Okay. Beautiful farm. The farm is doing great. You see that? Already